The 50-30-20 rule, explained. Managing money feels confusing, but one simple rule makes it easy. The 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent, food, bills, and transport. 30% goes to wants, like dining out, shopping, or entertainment. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. For example, if you earn $1,000, $500 covers needs, $300 covers wants, $200 goes into savings or paying debt. This rule helps you balance your lifestyle today while preparing for tomorrow. It's simple, flexible, and works for everyone, whether you're a student or a working professional. Try applying the 50-30-20 rule to your own income. You'll be surprised how much control you gain over your money.